All right, hey, let's take a look at this triangle angle sum theorem. I'm going to try to demonstrate why it works. So I created a couple of triangles on this piece of paper, and then I cut them out with scissors. So that's what you're seeing here. It's my original triangle, and this is my cutout. I arced around the angles, and then I took my scissors out and cut the angles. So these are each of just the angles, and then what the triangle angle sum theorem says is that the sum of the measures of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I'm going to put each of these angles together, the vertices. I'm going to just piece them together like a puzzle. And when I do that, I see that those three angles, when you put them together, when you add them up, that's just addition, it creates a straight line. And we know that straight lines are always 180 degrees. How about that? Pretty good. And if I can shuffle it around any way I want, and it'll still create a straight line. You just have to put the vertices of the angles together. And so that's the triangle angle sum theorem. See how the straight line is right across here? I did it with an obtuse triangle, and then I did it with a acute triangle. So this is the acute triangle. Take out your scissors and arc the angles, and then you can, here's my, once again, here's the acute. I just arced it, and then I took my scissors and cut it. And now I'm going to take the three angles, it won't matter which order. I'm going to put my vertices together. That's why I numbered them on this piece of paper, so I could tell which ones were which. Tried to cut it where I could see the outline so it would make the visual look like a line. And then you see that once again it created a line right along here. There's your straight line. So triangle angle sum says that the three angles of a triangle, the interior angles, will always add up to 180. The exterior angle theorem I should call this the exterior angle theorem, says that any of the exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. And so what I did was I extended onto this original triangle that I had an auxiliary line to create an exterior angle, and then I went and cut out my angle 1 and angle 2. So I'm taking the angle from 2 and the angle from 1, and now to see if this actually does work, I'm going to just move these two. I'm going to add them up on top of that angle. So I'm matching up the vertices to see if the two interior angles will fit in to make a perfect match. And my old stubby fingers are kind of not working great this morning, but as you can see, they do in fact combine. So the exterior angle theorem says that the remote, these are called the remote interiors, they'll add up to give you the exterior angle. So there you go. Hope that helps.